Jeep has become synonymous with exploring the great outdoors. Our grill has become an icon for countless discoveries in the wild. But when we take a closer look, we notice that the very places that Jeep enables you to see have been living within our brand's DNA all along. By cropping our grill, the circle became a moon, illuminating bat caves. The slots became a forest, providing sanctuary to a deer. The arches became glaciers on which a polar bear rested. But the adventure didn't stop there, because the more we looked, the more life we discovered inside our grill. The result was a bold and graphic campaign, enticing adventure wherever it was seen, proving that the essence of discovery has and always will be at the heart of Jeep, and that nature is in our nature.